Hi, it's Angie Potts, and welcome to the first episode of Living the Senior Life Show, where we break down the good, the fun, and the challenging sides of getting older. Let's get started. Today's episode is all about the perks of getting old. As we get older, there are some perks that come along with it. One of those perks is the ability to take advantage of senior discounts. These discounts are available for a variety of things. They're from meals to travel to entertainment. Discounts may also be available on groceries, clothing, prescription drugs, and more. Some organizations that offer senior discounts include AARP, American Seniors Association, and seniorsdiscount.com. Here's why you should embrace these perks and start enjoying the benefits of getting old. Let's start with eating out. One of the most popular discounts is for meals at restaurants. Many restaurants offer discounts for seniors, usually ranging from 10% to 20% off your total bill. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but it can really add up over time. Some even offer senior menus with smaller portions and lower prices. This can be a great way to save money while still enjoying dining out. Many restaurants also offer early bird specials, which are discounted meals for people who eat dining earlier in the evening, dinner early. The special usually offer between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. and are perfect for seniors who prefer to eat an early dinner. Not only do you get the discount on your meal, but you also get to avoid the crowds and enjoy a quieter atmosphere at the restaurant. So it's a win-win. Hey, you like to travel? I know I do. Another great perk of getting old is the ability to take advantage of travel discounts. Seniors can get discounts on flights, hotels, and rental cars. Airlines like American, Delta, and Southwest offer senior fares that can be significantly cheaper than the regular prices. Hotels like Marriott, Hilton, and Best Western offer senior discounts on rooms and packages. Rental car companies like Avis, Budget, and Hertz offer discounts for seniors as well. These discounts can make travel more affordable and accessible for seniors who are on a fixed income, but things change quickly, so always confirm discounts are available before booking. Now let's explore entertainment. Many entertainment venues offer discounts for seniors as well, including movie theaters, museums, and theme parks. These discounts can vary depending on the venue, but they can be significant savings off the regular admission. Some venues may also offer discounts on seniors on special events or shows. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite activities and hobbies without breaking the bank. In addition to discounts on meals, travel, and entertainment, there are many other perks of getting old. For example, some stores offer senior shopping hours. This can be especially helpful for anyone with mobility issues or who prefers to avoid crowded stores. Also, some communities offer free or discounted classes and programs for seniors, such as exercise classes or art classes. These programs can help seniors stay active and engaged while also providing an opportunity to socialize with other seniors in the community. Sometimes you can find senior discounts for things like haircuts and dry cleaning. Most places offer discounts starting at the age of 55 or 60, so it's definitely worth looking into. However, some places may only offer discounts if you have a membership. Also, don't forget, some places offer discounts as low as 50. On the AARP card, you can qualify at 50. So please check with the individual organizations to make sure you understand what the age requirements are. Keep in mind, looking for a seniors discount, it's important to have the proof of age, such as a driver's license or passport or state ID. Some places may also require a membership, as I mentioned before, AARP. It's always worth asking if a discount is available, as many places don't advertise senior discounts. Try and keep it a little hidden secret. We want to save that moolah though. Bottom line, embrace your age. Getting older may not be the most exciting thing in the world. Believe me, I know it. But it does come with some perks. By embracing these perks and taking advantage of senior discounts and early bird specials, you can save money and enjoy life to the fullest. So don't be shy about your age. Embrace it. Start enjoying the benefits of getting older. Take care. Oh, I forgot to mention, before you go, comment below if you want more information or have any questions. And like I said before, take care, and I'll see you next time. Embrace the getting older. I know I will. Bye.